My name is Brent Pabst. I'm an IT analyst with Chrysler Manufacturing Corporation. I'd like to spend some time today to demonstrate using the newest version of our supply chain management system, or SCM. For those unfamiliar with Chrysler Supply Chain, we provide our online supply chain portal to our supply base to allow for delivery of purchase orders, delivery requirements, and other functions that allow suppliers to interface with us more efficiently. In part 1 of this video, we looked at the calendar view and mentioned the ability to drill down into items. In this section, we'll take a look at exactly what it means to drill down into an item in SCM. Overall, by looking at an item, you're able to see a complete set of information about the item, from the original purchase order to the individual deliveries. To view the detailed information for an item, simply click on the Manage Items tab in the menu. The form displayed here has a complete list of items on the right-hand side of the screen. By clicking on an item, the display will update to show all the information we currently have available. The list will also show all items, even if they do not have a current schedule or set of deliveries. You can limit the list to only show the parts with a schedule by unchecking the box called Show Parts Without Schedule. The Manage Items display contains a lot of information. Across the top of the form is the basic information about the item, such as the part number, our description, and the unit of measure we typically purchase the part in. On the left side of the screen is the complete schedule for the part. It will display the required date for the delivery and the quantity. In the middle, you can specify a promise date for the part. Essentially, the promise date tells Chrysler when you plan to deliver the quantity needed. Once you update the promise date, make sure to save the date. Below the schedule is the recorded communication between your company and Chrysler. We ask that all communications be done through SCM to keep an electronic record of our discussions. To add a new note, simply click the link called Add a New Note. Enter your message and click the Submit button. Check back periodically to see any updates from Chrysler or other users from your company. On the right-hand side of the screen are the purchase orders and item specifications for the item. Purchase orders for the item will be listed on the top section of the screen. You can print and export the purchase orders to PDF by clicking on the link called View PO. Once that screen opens, click either the Print button or the Diskette button to print and save the purchase orders when it opens. SCM will always show the latest approved revision or version of the purchase order. Below the purchase order list is the item specification flowdown for the item. It will list all relevant specifications and drawings that apply to this item. If the specification or drawing is able to be viewed electronically, an icon will appear next to the identification number. Click the icon to open the electronic document, most of which are PDF based. All shipments to Chrysler must utilize the shipping process in SCM. Shipments that do not contain the proper labels may be rejected when they arrive at Chrysler facilities. To create a new shipment, click on the Shipping tab on the menu, and then click on the Create a Shipment link. To begin, enter the quantity of parts you wish to ship. The list below the quantity input box is the list of parts that are able to ship. Chrysler enacts certain shipping horizons. If you have questions about the shipping list or the shipping policies, please contact your supply chain representative. You can view all the deliveries for each part by clicking on the arrow to the left of the part number. Once you confirm which part you want to ship, simply click the Select link. Once selected, the row will be highlighted. Click the Next button to continue with the shipping wizard. A new requirement Chrysler is now enforcing is that all lot and heat numbers must be entered prior to shipment. Enter the lot numbers along with the quantity for each. If you have 5 lot numbers, there should be 5 entries in the list. Once complete, click the Next button. In order to help estimate shipping costs, Chrysler requires the place of shipment be entered. By default, it will pre-populate to your primary address. Please make sure to update the address if you find any problems. We also now require that either the packing slip or invoice number be entered into SCM along with the number of boxes you plan to ship. This is done to help generate the required labels for shipping. The total shipment weight is currently optional. Click the Next button to go on to the next step of the wizard. The final screen of shipment allows you to verify all the information that was entered. If you find mistakes, please click the Cancel Shipment button and try again. Otherwise, click the Next button. To print all of the required documents, please click the Print Documents button. The labels are designed to work on standard A4 and letter UPS style half-sheet labels. Otherwise, regular paper will work, but please use a plastic sleeve to keep ink and toner from running when wet. The last printed page will be a box insert that is designed to be placed inside one of the shipment boxes. This paperwork is critical as it will contain all of your lot numbers and shipment information. At this time, you'll still need to generate a carrier shipment label or bill of lading. Once done, click the Finish button to return to the in-transit listing. In the event of a mistake or problem, you can reprint the labels and documentation along with voiding the shipment from the in-transit listing page. Simply click the link to perform the operation. In order to handle questions and concerns with using SCM, the following contact information can be used to get assistance with SCM. If you have any questions regarding orders, schedules, or shipments, please contact your designated supply chain representative instead. Thanks for taking the time to watch this introduction video in our short series on using SCM. Please make sure to check out the other videos in the series to get detailed information on using SCM. You can also follow us and connect with Chrysler using our social media tools. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our channel on YouTube today.